Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're off to a place called Ajana Mane, which is a homestay in Talugupa that's almost 5 kilometers away from Jog. So we've left Bangalore. We've left around 11 o'clock, and right now we're in Tumkur Road in Bangalore, and it's 11:18 right now. So it's a 3-day trip, and I will take you along. So I can learn how to love. The route that we took was Bangalore, Tumkur, Sira, Hiriyur, Chitradurga, Holalkere, Shivamogga, and Jog. So we took the deviation after Chitradurga that goes through Chennagiri and Holalkere because the roads are amazing, and the roads via Hiriyur right now is very bad. So we did not take the Hiriyur route. We also took a total of 3 tea breaks because ours was a night journey. We left Bangalore at 11 and we reached Ajjanamane at 5:30 in the morning. So it was a complete night journey and we had to take tea breaks. This is how the entrance looks like. There is plenty of space for car parking. So it's a totally 2-acre property, and I will explain the various amenities it provides. So this is a Malnad kind of architecture which is called Totti Mane. So as you enter, you can see the Totti, that is the pit kind of a thing. So that's a small workstation. If you get your network, then you're very lucky. The beauty of such architecture is that it is open on the top, in the center, so that when it rains, all the rainwater collects into the pit. There are totally 3 huge rooms, so this is one of it. Every room has a swing. Right now, we have messed up the place, but the staff keep it very clean. This is the kitchen and the dining room. This is a small puja room, and now we head to the other room. So, this is the biggest of all. The staff here are very friendly and they clean the rooms on a daily basis. They make your bed and they arrange your stuff and they keep it all in place. And every room has access to this backyard kind of a place wherein you can just go and take a walk or go upstairs and sunbathe and come inside. This isn't rainwater, but the water is overflowing from the tank, and that's how beautiful it looks. Now it's breakfast time, and everybody has gathered here for breakfast. Today on the menu we have pesrattu, chutney, kosamri, rasayana, and pongal. So we are right now heading to Sharavati Adventure Camp for various fun-filled water sports. We went diving, jet skiing, kayaking, and we were jumping on the trampoline. लम्हा लम्हा खुशियां बिखरे इधर उधर और यहाँ वहाँ जाए वहीं दिल कहे जहाँ baby 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 We then came back to this beautiful place again, took a very long nap as we didn't sleep at night. They have a huge collection of both Kannada and English novels. So if you're a person who loves reading, then you can absolutely enjoy it because this place is amazing amidst nature and nobody can disturb you. We then visited Sharavati backwaters for sunset. Since this is a less explored place, there were absolutely nobody apart from us. Another thing what I liked about this place is that it gave me a lot of beach kind of vibes, although it was not a beach. I will leave the exact Google Maps location in the description below. After we got back to the homestay, we started playing badminton. So they have a dedicated badminton court and they also provide you with rackets and the shuttlecock. We also played a lot of Chowkabara as it was loved by all of them. We then hired a bus to go to Sonda. Sonda is a place that's about 70 kilometers from the homestay. Sode is the place where you can find the Brindavana of Sri Vadiraja Tirtharu. Sode also headquarters the Sode Matha, which is one among the 8 or Ashta Matas of Udupi, which was founded by Sri Madhvacharya. Sode is a very calm and peaceful place. There is also a small Goshale that's located inside the temple premises. When you visit Sode, don't forget to visit the Sahasralinga and Tapovana. Sahasralinga is a place on the banks of river Shalmala wherein there are about 1000 Shivlingas, and Tapovana is a place where Sri Vadirajaru meditated.
Vadiraja Swami Varada Govinda Shri Ramadri Vikrama Swami Padara Vindakya Govinda Pudardarshana Praptirasto Yadurgo Hari Sarvottama
Vayu Jeevottama
Hari Sarvottama
Vayu Jeevottama
Hari Sarvottama
Vayu Jeevottama.
ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿದೆ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಬೈಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಪಡ್ಸ್ವಾಹ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾರ ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್
ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾಲ್ಕು
Be careful what you pitch. Okay, okay.
ನಾಲ್ಕು 1 2 3
ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಸ್ಪಂದನ ದನ ದ ದ ಎ ಆರ್ ದ ಎ
ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ವೀರಮದಕರ
ಬಬ್ರುವಾನ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಳೇದು
ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ
ಎಮ್ಮೆ
ರಾಜ ಮಹಾರಾಜ
ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಕುರ್ಬಾ
ಶಿಷ್ಯರು
ಕುರ್ಬಾ ಅದು ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಇರೋದು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ
ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಣ್ಣ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ
मेरा दीवाना
बोल कोई हमसे ना
हो जाए
या
ಮಸ್ತಾನ ಯಾರು ಮೇರಾ ದೀವಾನ
ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದೋನು ನಿಲ್ತಾನೆ ನಿನ್ನಕೊಂಡು ಸತ್ತೋನು ನಾನ್ತಾನೆ 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1
Happy
ಆಂಟಿ ಏನಿವತ್ತು ಅಡುಗೆ ಒಡಪೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಥರನಾ
ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಥರ ಅಕ್ಕಿನೇ ಇತ್ತು
ಹಾಂ
ಚೂರು ತರಕಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಬೇರೆ
ಹಾಂ ಸೊ ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತಿಂಡಿ Post lunch on day 3, we started back to Bangalore and we followed the same route. To be honest, it was very hard for each of us to get back home because it was an amazing place and we had a great time together. Also, a few things to be noted here is that the food is sattvic, which means to say that there is no garlic or onions used in the food. Also, please note that consumption of alcohol is prohibited in this homestay. In case you liked my vlog, please do share it with your friends and family. Thank you.